Yes, sir. What are you saying about your victory today?
Oh, well, I think it's been an incredible set of results across the city of Manchester. Mine is a new seat, and I am really proud to be standing here as the first ever Member of Parliament for Gorton and Denton. I realise that there's a huge task and a huge responsibility that's been placed on all of us in the Labour Party today. We've won a historic victory, and we've got a mandate to change. But we've got to make sure that we follow through on our promises and get that better, fairer, more equal Britain that we want and that people have voted
And
for.
what is your thought about the Palestine and Gaza? Your Labour Party.
Yeah.
What is the plan?
So I want the next Labour government, the new Labour government, to stand tall in the world, and that means ensuring that we use all the diplomatic